So I'm here and packaging up some crystals, right? And I'm sitting here thinking about when I started with the crystals some time ago. And you know how sometimes you don't want to share certain stuff with certain people because you care about what they think? I've made multiple videos and I've said this several times. This time, right now, what's going on in this world, you cannot care what anyone thinks. Do what makes you happy. Do what makes you smile. Do what brings you joy. When you are obedient to the call of the universe, God, your angels, ancestors, whatever you want to call them, you are now leaping out on faith and you are taking that block of fear that stands between you and greatness away. I'm sitting here getting ready to package all of these crystals to ship out. And I've already packaged these. These are already packaged. I couldn't put the addresses on them. I'm like, duh, I'm going to be showing everybody's address. So this is just another stream of income on top of the other things I do with my spiritual gifts. This is a blessing. And then I have more here that I just had to put together. So I have lots of crystals to package. My daughter's on her way to help me, but leaping out on faith and doing things no matter how uncomfortable it makes you feel, do it. I hope this is inspiring to someone. Just do it. Do not be apologetic. Be unapologetic. Okay? You want to be unapologetic about what you do that makes you happy. All right? And yeah, I got my labeler ready and we are getting ready to start printing off and shipping off these great powerful crystals to all my new clients. I love you guys. Talk to you guys later.